because it's opposites. Shut your...
You're messing with your DME right now, dude? Oh my god.
The fact that I'm doing this... Jesus. Hey everybody, it's the Tactical Hippie back again. I just wanted to say thanks for watching the channel. Today we're going to be doing a cool video. I went out and bought an MHD Flex Fuel Kit for my A91 MT Supra. There aren't any videos on manual Supra installation, so I'm going to run you through how to install this Flex Fuel Kit. Tap it to the fuel line. It's got a CAN analyzer. We're going to hook into the CAN bus underneath the passenger side, and we're going to go ahead and just do this installation. Should be hopefully quick and painless. I'm a little bit sketched out about tapping into the cables underneath the dashboard, but we'll see how that goes, and y'all get to come along and see how we do. Appreciate it. Let me know in the comments if you have a Flex Fuel Kit and whether or not you use it to adjust your ethanol levels accordingly. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So the first thing that you want to do is disconnect the battery in the back so you don't cause any major explosion.
That is correct.
Here's the cable. Guys, look at all this dumb shit. Guys, look at all this dumb shit that I had to do, or that I did, that I didn't need to do. Come here. Get in there real tight. Get down in there and show them what I did.
Look at what my boy did to his shit, man.
What the fuck? I didn't need to do any of that.
You didn't have to do any of this stuff, man.
Okay, is that one? The two hardest ones to get back in.
Now you should be able to pull it open with the picture.
I didn't really cut it very much. I was a little bit delicate. I was trying to find the edge of it down here so I could actually pull the tape off. I'm scared to cut it. It's like fucking surgery, and I'm not a surgeon. Beautiful. Good deal. A461B. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, yeah, that's Ford. Okay, that makes sense. So yeah, that's definitely them. So yellow and white goes to the green connector. Yellow and black goes to the violet. Oh, I don't know why it's oh, they probably want you to put this on last. I'm doing it wrong. You see what I'm saying? I've twisted this wire now.
There you go.
I hope that still works. I hope I didn't break it. Okay. So those are pretty tight. Stripe. So then this is A46 5B. Goes to the white. Okay. I thought that was supposed to go in.
You might have to pull it towards you slightly. No.
Oh, this.
Holding and then push that away from you. There it is.
Awesome. Here, let me do it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, everybody, it's connected here like this, and you need to get it.
There you go.
And that should be it. It's just a nice quick connector. And then this one goes like this. See, but I feel like
No, it's fine, dude.
okay. It's so it's almost like
Yeah, there you go. Yep.
okay, that wasn't it. Alright, so this goes this way, right? Okay. There it is.
Yeah, buddy. There you go.
Okay, so this is tight. This is tight. This is tight. This is in.
Yep, she's on.
I mean,
Now the only thing that
as far as I'm concerned, this thing can just sit just like that. Oh wait, no, I can't.
you gotta put the cover back.
Okay. Plugs in here, so that's the slack I need for that. I know I got a flash of tune. Let me turn on that mode. CAN bus ECA preset. Oh, and then I think I need to change it to E91. Okay, hold on. Hold on, I gotta figure it out. So you go into your multi-tune, you have to change everything back to E91, and then you can select MHD ECA and enable flex fuel right here, and then you write that to your DME, and that's pretty much all you have to do to set this up. I'm going to take a little bit more footage and make sure that this thing works, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.